Lisbon service departments.
Oh wait, are these keypad selection? -1. Can we go there? Yes, that's a floor. Alright, I guess we're going to be doing some guessing here. 10. Oh no, it literally just gave us 1. Alright. Well, now we're stopping at 1 and 0, I guess. So there's no 10. 9. Error. 8. Error. 7. Alright, 7's the highest. Well, those are all just rules. Let's see this here. From 2008. Let's see what these. Nice. It's got the weird key switch thing where it has the barrels under the panel like that. That's strange. And then I guess it registered the call. Alright, cool. And then we'll show the panel quickly. There's where it shows the floors you're heading to. And then here is the keypad. I don't know why it is a keypad if there's less than 9 floors. Then they just have extra buttons, so it kind of defeats the whole purpose of the keypad. Oh, what the heck? There's literally a machine to check in. That's weird. Anyway, that's all.